Hi everybody, today I'm going to teach you how to make a simple flying paper bird. To make the paper bird, you need a piece of origami paper. If you don't have origami paper, you can just trim down an A4 paper or whatever paper to a square sheet of paper, and you can fold this origami. It is very easy, and let's start now. So the first step, let's flip the paper over and then turn it this way, then match this edge to the other edge. And then unfold the paper. Now start from this tip, fold straight to the other tip. On the following step, let's start from this side and fold straight down like this. Next step, let's start from this edge, fold to the center crease. And then repeat the same fold for the other side. Then start from this edge, fold it to the center crease. And now let's start from this layer, fold straight out like this, and estimate about half an inch along this edge and half an inch along this side. So fold straight down. Okay, you can adjust the wings a little bit, and then repeat the same fold for the other side. Let's adjust it. Make sure that both sides are even. And then start from this tip, fold straight down to this line. Imagine that you have a line from this corner to this corner. So fold straight down. Okay. You do not need to match it to that part. You can just fold closer to it as much as possible. And then you can fold this part up to create the head of the bird. And then I will flip the paper over. So this is what we have. Let me adjust the wings a little bit so that both sides are even. So if this side is that much, I will fold this side a little bit more, and I will adjust the head, the wings this side a little bit. And what will be next? I'll fold this part up too, and I'll insert it in here, and I fold the paper down. Next, I'll fold the paper in half, and then I'll match this. Imagine that you have a line from this corner along this edge, and you can fold down to create the wings. And repeat the same fold for the other side. Also for this side. Okay, I can make the body smaller by fold this part down, and then I can fold the wings up so that it looks more like a hummingbird. I repeat the same fold for the other side. I fold it up like this. Okay, so I have this. Looks very cool. Well, this part I will insert it backward. You have a crease here already. I fold it to inside, and repeat the same for here. You can fold it inward. Okay, so this is what you should have for now. Let's adjust it a little bit, and here you go. This is a new paper airplane. Let's test it out.